Hello guys, how to download Dell 15 driver. So first guys, you have to come this site www.dell.com, this official site, so you can download driver software what you want to support and you can see. So first www.dell.com, after that you can see click on support and driver and download. Click on it. You enter the your serial number, okay, service tag, otherwise you enter model number Dell 15, okay, and which one DC15 you have check it, and all driver download and installations process same. Then select, you can see, slow down now so there are two options, so you can install automatically when check which driver you have your system required, you can detect and install it. Otherwise, if you are install manually and if you are facing issues and need to install manually, so you just select the driver. Okay, this is all driver, but you click on categorize. Okay, and then you can see that select the operating system Windows 11. Okay, and then close it. Audio, this is so confusing. One, all driver, audio driver. So click to download. When you click to download, it will start in the download box. Then it is downloaded. You single click to open. Then click on yes for the administrator installations. Then guys, you should install directly, but you need to extract and then install later, so select this one. Now the audio driver is installing, so wait few seconds. Then click on OK. And then cancel.